welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today, we're combining two of my favorite things, narrated stories, true crime, and nail tutorials. Please be advised that the content on this channel includes detailed descriptions of true crime, mystery, and murder stories which may be distressing or triggering to some viewers. Viewer discretion is strongly advised, particularly for those sensitive to graphic depictions of violence, discussion of traumatic events, and mature themes. If you or someone you know is affected by any of the issues discussed, please consider seeking support from a professional. Now, let's begin with the story. The Forgotten Girl. In the quiet suburbs of Willow Grove, a town nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, a chilling mystery had long haunted the community. It began with the disappearance of a young girl named Maya Washington, whose vanishing had left an indelible mark on everyone who knew her. Maya was a spirited 13-year-old with a love for books and a talent for painting. She lived with her grandmother, Ms. Martha, in a cozy house at the edge of town. Ms. Martha was a pillar of strength in Willow Grove, known for her kindness and unwavering faith. Maya adored her grandmother and often helped out at the local community center where Ms. Martha volunteered. The day Maya disappeared started like any other sunny Saturday in June. She had plans to meet her best friend, Lily, at the town library to borrow books for their summer reading list. Maya never arrived, and as the hours passed, panic set in among her family and friends. Detective Claire Johnson, a seasoned investigator with a keen eye for detail and a reputation for solving tough cases, was assigned to Maya's disappearance. Claire knew from experience that the first 48 hours were crucial in any missing person case, so she mobilized the entire police department and enlisted the help of volunteers from the community. As the days turned into weeks, Claire meticulously pieced together Maya's last known whereabouts. She interviewed Maya's classmates, teachers, and neighbors, searching for any clue that might lead to her whereabouts. But despite her efforts, the trail seemed to grow colder with each passing day. Meanwhile, the town of Willow Grove was gripped by fear and suspicion. Rumors swirled through the community, fueling speculation and distrust. Some whispered of a mysterious figure seen lurking near the library on the day Maya disappeared, while others pointed fingers at a troubled teenager with a history of petty crimes. But as weeks turned into months, Maya's case faded from the headlines, overshadowed by newer tragedies and scandals. Claire refused to give up, driven by a determination to find justice for Maya and closure for her grieving family. One rainy afternoon, Claire received an anonymous tip a jogger had discovered a shallow grave in the woods outside town. Claire rushed to the scene, her heart pounding with a mixture of dread and hope. As she carefully excavated the grave, her worst fears were realized. It was Maya. The discovery sent shockwaves through Willow Grove. The town mourned Maya's loss, coming together to support Ms. Martha and each other in their grief. But for Claire, the discovery was just the beginning of unraveling the truth. Through painstaking forensic work and relentless questioning, Claire uncovered a web of secrets hidden beneath the surface of Willow Grove. She discovered that Maya had stumbled upon a dark secret involving prominent members of the community, who had silenced her to protect their reputations and privilege. As Claire pieced together the puzzle, she faced resistance from powerful figures who sought to bury the truth. But Claire refused to be intimidated, drawing strength from Maya's memory and the determination to bring her justice. Months of investigation culminated in a tense courtroom showdown where Claire presented irrefutable evidence against those responsible for Maya's death. The trial captivated the town and garnered national attention, shining a spotlight on the issue of violence against young girls and the importance of holding perpetrators accountable. In the end, justice prevailed. The guilty parties were sentenced, and Maya's family found a measure of peace knowing that their beloved daughter and granddaughter had not died in vain. As Claire stood by Maya's graveside, surrounded by flickering candles and flowers left by mourners, she whispered a promise to the young girl whose life had been cut short. I will never forget you, Maya, Claire vowed, her voice trembling with emotion. Your voice was silenced, but your story will be heard. You will not be forgotten. And as the wind rustled through the trees, carrying the echoes of Maya's memory across Willow Grove, Claire knew that Maya's spirit would live on, a reminder of the resilience and strength of young girls everywhere who deserve to be cherished and protected.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for niggas so cheap. Being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little nigga got it banging, now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting you to DM looking fallin'. Talking while you come around and now they startin'. Through the 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being honest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
No, baby, in the bag and I'm working. No, not a rock, but the working. Doesn't know I love a mom for me, a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. No, you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you
got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
you're the only one I'm trying to make love to. Freaking and choosing. Hey, baby, love you, running game, using. All your stupid actions, they can call again. Tell them that a real nigga's happening. Don't let them niggas try, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debate. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you
got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweet tea. Sweet like pearland, sweet like peach tree. I could tell you crazy, but shit kinda intrigue me. Seen it on the plan, trying to see that shit in 3D. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat it. Seeing how you did homework, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. Six got tall, but I ain't trying to get preachy. No, no. Seeing how you did homework, please take it easy on me. Cause I don't play no games, play no games. I don't play no games, play no games.
sticking around for this nail tutorial while we dived into some intriguing true crime stories. If you enjoyed this blend of beauty and mystery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our unique content. Share your nail art results and favorite moments from today's story in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative and stay curious.
Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby. Your loving is better than gold, and I know. If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl. Don't make it test me, impress me. My cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what?
Shouldn't matter, shouldn't matter, shouldn't matter, shouldn't matter.
What? Come together.
Saving money